The graph above shows the advertised number of miles per gallon of gasoline used by a group of cars that were tested by a consumers group. So let's see, gas mileage in miles per gallon and number of cars. So 40 cars had a mileage of 25 miles per gallon, 50 had 26 miles per gallon, 40 had 27 miles per gallon, so forth and so on. What is the median advertised gas mileage for these cars in miles per gallon? So we want the median. So just as a refresher, the median is essentially if we were to list the gas mileage for all of these cars in order, then the median would be the middle gas mileage. So let's think about this a little bit. So we have 40 cars. So let me see where I can draw this a little bit in an interesting way. Actually, I'll just do it right here on the right-hand side. So we have 40 cars that have a mileage of 25 miles per gallon. So you could imagine me writing 25. You could imagine me writing 25 40 times. So that's 40 times, just like that. And I know that from that right over there. And then I have, let me just hit a different color. We have 50 cars that have 26 miles per gallon. So if I were to list all of their mileage, I'd be writing 26, and I would be doing it 50 times. 26. So there's going to be 50 of those. I'm going to do that 50 times. And I think you see where this is going. So there's 40 again that have 27 miles per gallon. So I'd be 27, and I'd write that 40 times if I were to list them all out. So I'd write that 40 times. And then there's 30. There's 30 that have mileage of 28 miles per gallon. I'm running out of space here. But let me see if I can. So there's 30. So let's see, 28 miles per gallon. I would write this 30 times. And then finally there's 10 cars that are at 29 miles per gallon. So there's 10 cars here. So I'd do 29 and I'd write it 10 times. I would write this 10 times right over here. And we want the median. We want the median value. So let's think about how many values we've just written here. We've written 40 plus 50 plus 40 plus 30 plus 10. So what is that going to be? 40 plus 50 is 90. 90 plus 40 is 130. Plus 30 is 160. Plus 10 is 170. So we have 170 values written over here. We have 170 values. And so where is our middle going to be? Where our middle is going to be, we could divide 170 divided by 2 is going to be, what is that? That's 85. So wherever our median is, you're going to have 85 to the left, and you're going to have 85, or I guess you could say that we could split into two groups where you have 85 and 85. And when you have an even number of things, your two middle values, if they're the same value, that's your median. If they're different values, you take the average, you take the arithmetic mean of those two middle values, and then that's your median. So where is our middle value going to be? So let's see, if we go 85 from the left-hand side, we're going to go through the 40, and we are going to end up, let's see, that gets us 40, then we go 45 more, you end up right over here. You end up in this category. And if you go from the right-hand side, I think you'll also end up in this category because you went 85, you end up in this category as well. So the middle is going to be in this category, so it's going to be 26 miles per gallon. The median is 26 miles per gallon.